Okay, so first I'm gonna start by palpating the thorax to check for symmetrical expansion of the chest wall. So just take a deep breath. And again. And again. And one more time. Okay, next I'm gonna feel for Midas. It's the vibration through the chest wall. So I'm just gonna have you say 99 as I move my hands down.
99.
Okay?
99. 99. 99. 99. 99.
Okay.
Next, I'm going to listen for sounds that are produced by percussion, which are timpani, resonance, flat, or dull sounds.
Okay, so now we're going to do the auscultation of the lungs by listening between the intercostal spaces of the ribs bilaterally. Okay, I'll have you take a deep breath each time.
Alright, now I'm going to listen to the posterior side of the lungs bilaterally. So take a deep breath.